Cyclonic Storm Mocha 2023 last modified, 9 o'clock May 12, 2023 UTC Cyclone Mocha 2023 Mocha 2023 This is a dangerous system. Damaging winds, heavy rainfall, storm surge, rough seas, mudslides, and flash flooding are all possible risks. Mocha is located 993 kilometers south-southwest of Chattogram, Bangladesh, and has moved northward at 11 kilometers per hour, 6 knots, over the past 6 hours. Mocha will move more northeastward under the steering subtropical ridge for the remainder of the forecast, making landfall just south of the Bangladesh-Myanmar border shortly after 2 days. The highly favorable conditions will further fuel rapid intensification, RI, to a peak of 205 km per hour, 110 knots, in 36 hours. After landfall, interaction with the rugged terrain and increasing wind shear will rapidly erode the system toward dissipation in 5 days. Forecast models are in tight agreement with a gradual and even spread to 80 in 3 days, lending high confidence to the JTWC forecast. There is medium confidence in the JTWC intensity forecast due to the variability associated with RI and land interaction. Maximum significant wave height is 10.4 meters, 34 feet.